Struggling to keep your garage warm during those cold months? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best pellet stoves for garage use that can transform your space into a cozy, efficient workshop or hangout. From heating power to ease of use, I'll break down what makes each stove worth considering. And yes, I'll be upfront about both the pros and the cons. Let's fire things up and dive in. Number 1. Overall best pick, Procom Ventless Dual Fuel Fireplace. The Procom 25,000 BTU fireplace is a solid heating solution for anyone looking to warm up a large space without taking up much room. With its dual fuel capability, it gives flexibility to use either natural gas or propane, which is a big plus. The built-in thermostat makes temperature control simple and keeps the room comfortable without constant adjustment. It heats up to 1,100 square feet effectively, making it great for garages, workshops, or living areas. The sleek, space-saving design also blends in nicely with most interiors. One downside is that it requires proper ventilation awareness since it's ventless, but overall, it's an efficient and reliable heater. Number 2. My second best pick, Pleasant Hearth Gas Vent-Free Stove. The Pleasant Hearth VFS 2-PH30DT vent-free stove is a powerful heating option that combines function with a classic stove look. At 30,000 BTUs, it can warm up to 1,000 square feet, making it ideal for garages, cabins, or living rooms. The dual-fuel technology allows it to run on either natural gas or propane, giving flexibility depending on your setup. It delivers steady heat while adding a cozy fireplace-like atmosphere to the space. Setup is relatively straightforward, though professional installation is recommended for safety. One drawback is that being vent-free, it can add some humidity to the air. Still, it's a reliable, efficient, and attractive heating choice. Number 3. My third best pick, Castle Wood Pellet Stove Serenity. The Castle Serenity Wood Pellet Stove is a compact yet efficient heating solution that's perfect for smaller spaces like garages, cabins, or workshops. Its smart controller makes it easy to program daily or weekly heating schedules, which helps save on fuel and keeps the temperature consistent. The flame window adds a nice visual touch, creating a cozy atmosphere while it heats. It's designed to be user-friendly with straightforward maintenance and easy cleaning compared to bulkier pellet stoves. One drawback is that its heating capacity may not be enough for very large areas in extreme cold. Still, it's a reliable, stylish, and cost-effective way to stay warm. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Wood Pellet Stove HP22. The wood pellet stove HP22 is a powerhouse when it comes to heating larger spaces, handling up to 2,800 square feet with ease. Its 55-pound hopper allows for long burn times, meaning fewer refills and more consistent heat throughout the day. The EPA certification adds peace of mind, showing it meets efficiency and environmental standards. The stove also has a modern, sturdy design that feels built to last. It's an excellent option for garages, basements, or open living spaces. On the downside, its size and weight make it less practical for smaller rooms or frequent moving. Still, for reliable, large-scale heating, it's a strong investment. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Black Wood-Burning Tent Stove. The black wood-burning tent stove is a great option for enthusiasts who want reliable heat while camping, hunting, or ice fishing. Its compact, portable design makes it easy to set up, and the 7-section stainless steel chimney provides solid ventilation, keeping smoke out of your tent. The stove heats quickly and doubles as a cooking surface, which is a big plus for extended trips. It feels sturdy enough to withstand repeated use in tough conditions. One downside is that the firebox is relatively small, so you'll need to feed it more often if you want steady heat overnight. Still, it's a dependable, practical stove for outdoor adventures. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite pellet stove for garage? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.